Welcome back to Paul's Garage. It's June 8th, 2019, day 2 of painting the MG Midget, the 72. We started the day by taping off the white racing stripe, which we left yesterday. I had that sealer down, taped that all off, and then proceeded to paint the dark gray sealer, which of course you see right there and there, and then pull the tape off, and that's what you have. So every body part, inside, outside, top and bottom, is painted with this dark gray sealer in preparations for the blue that I'm going to spray on it. I believe it's called Midnight Blue, I think. I can't even remember the color. I had my 2001 Triumph 955 Sprint color taken to colors, and they scanned it, and that's what they came up with, because I wanted to look kind of like that color blue. So you see the racing stripe down the front, down the center, and all the way down the back, of course, through the hood, and it carries on all the way back. So I think it came out good. It's just a question of the difference of when you spray blue over the different shades of sealer. You'll have a light blue and then a darker blue. It'll be subtle, but that's what I want. So the only thing left to do is what's left to do is tomorrow or maybe tonight we're going to wet sand this sealer down. And in preparation for jamming the car, meaning I got to spray the bottom, the inside the car, inside the wheel wells, inside the sills, the jams, and then spray that with a paint. And then once that's done and dried, lift the tape off the exterior part of the body that's been taped off to avoid overspray, then hang the doors, the fenders, the hood, hang everything back on the car, get it back off the rotisserie, and get all the body parts on and aligned after the undersides of the body parts, like the underside of the hood, the underside of the trunk, inside of the fenders. Once they're all painted with the color and also clear coated, I think that's how I'm going to do it, is the base coat and the clear coat are going to go on the wrong side of everything. The underside of the doors, like you see right there, the inside of the fenders, the back sides of the front valance, and inside the engine bay. So all that's going to be colored tomorrow, while the rest of the car is taped off for overspray protection. Then pull the overspray protection off after it's colored and cleared, then put the body panels back on, I believe, again off the rotisserie, laying on a stand, and then paint the whole entire car the color. 4 coats, I believe I'm going to go with, either 3 on everything or 4 on everything. I sprayed it out on a card, and I kind of like 4 coats, but that was spraying a card. I have no idea how spraying the car is going to go, but so far it's going good. Like I said, I don't know if I've said this, but this is my first time I've sprayed and done any kind of paint work, so it's coming pretty good. Actually, you know, if you buy a decent gun, it comes pretty good. So just a mess with overspray. We've been wetting the floor down, just overspray everywhere. I have the fans off right now, and they're doing okay. I have 2 big fans at the end there drawn, and then on the other side of the room, I don't know if you saw all the filtration for letting filtered air in. Back there, a bunch of filters that allow filtered air in, and works pretty well. But again, just a ton of overspray drops on the floor, and you got to keep wetting it to prevent it from blowing everywhere. And overspray also, you know, once you paint one side of the car and that's starting to dry. By the time that dries, you're spraying the other part. That overspray lands on the painted surface, and it kind of gives a little bit of texture. So that's why everything has to get hit with, I'll probably go with 2000 grit sandpaper to knock down all the edges on it, and go from there. So that's about it. So stand by. We'll see you tomorrow. See how it goes. All right, take care. Bye.